Hello dear students and viewers. Today I have published a new video for you, those who are staying at home and do not have the chance to go to schools and colleges. I hope that my video will be helpful to them, needs no telling. I want to request you and advise you to press the bell icon and subscribe my channel and share my video so that your other friends and relatives and classmates may be benefited through my YouTube channel, K Mondol YouTube channel. I have published a lot of videos for you through my channel. You can observe and you can watch my video if you want to know English grammar, the changing method of direct speech, indirect speech, active voice, passive voice, degree, comparative degree, positive degree, superlative degree. I have already published many videos. Today I am going to publish relating to degree, comparison of adjective and adverb, English grammar through my YouTube channel, K Mondol YouTube channel. I have already published my another video relating to positive degree and comparative degree. Today I am going to publish the new video relating to superlative degree, where there is comparison of adjective and adverb directly or indirectly among the persons or adjective or adverb is called superlative degree. Here the superlative form of adjective of adverb is used. For example, good, better, best. Best will be used here. Well, better, best. Best will be used here. Here you can ask me the question, what is good and what is well? What is the difference between good and well? You must know that good is adjective and well is adverb. Sometimes well may be adjective. So the meaning is about to be similar, but good is adjective, well is adverb, sometimes adjective. I am well, it is I am well. I am good physically, it is I am well. I am good, I am good in character. Okay, I am good. He is a good boy, but he is not a well boy. He is well. He is physically well or physically good. He is a good boy. He is well now, or he is well, he is better, or he is well today, better today. Okay, so this better and well is adverb, sometimes adjective. I have done well, I have done better, I have done well. This well is adverb. So good is adjective, well is adverb, sometimes adjective. I am well, it is adjective. I am good, it is adjective. But I have done well, it is adverb. So well has two functions, adjective and adverb. But good has one function, it is adjective. But in respect of comparative degree, good, better, well, better. Good, better, best, well, better, best. Comparative and superlative is similar, but positive is in different shape or different spelling and form, well and good. Good, better, best, well, better, best. Bad, worst. I have already marks. Red marking, I have penned down red marking. Red marking is superlative degree, and this superlative degree will be used in respect of superlative degree. This superlative form of adjective will be used in superlative degree. This is the superlative form of adjective. Bad, worse, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful, honest, more honest, most honest, clever, more clever, or cleverer, most clever, cleverest. So the red marking words and degree will be used in respect of superlative degree. Small, smaller, smallest, fast, faster, fastest, slow, slower, slowest, slowly, more slowly, most slowly. So most slowly will be used in respect of superlative degree, and there will be the definite article before the superlative degree. You must remember that if you want to form the superlative degree, the definite article the must be used before superlative form of adjective. the best boy, the best girl, the most beautiful girl, the biggest country, the smallest shop, etc. Okay. There is a structure, superlative degree structure. I have already penned down. NP, verb plus the plus superlative form of adjective or adverb is used here. There may be extension, prepositional phrase also. Prepositional phrase may be used or not. It depends upon the sentence pattern. So what will be? Plus extension. Extension is used. Look at NP, noun, pronoun or noun phrase, verb, am, is, or was, or etc. plus the definite article before superlative degree. There will be the. You must remember it. Superlative form of adjective or adverb: best, tallest, cleverest, most beautiful, most intelligent. Extension: in the village, in the college, in the country, at the station, etc. I have already explained good, better, best, bad, worse, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful, honest, more honest, most honest, clever, more clever, most clever, tall, taller, tallest, small, smaller, smallest. Smallest. Okay. So there will be smallest, and before smallest or one most beautiful, most intelligent, there will be definite article the. Example: he is the best boy in the class. In the class is extension. He is he, noun phrase or noun pronoun. We must remember that pronoun will be included in noun phrase. Not only noun but also pronoun. Ram, Rohim, she, he, they, boy, man, girl, country, city, Bangladesh, India, Nepal, America, England, Japan, Bhutan, Tehran, etc. will be included in noun phrase or NP, noun phrase or noun pronoun. Extension: in the country, at the station, in the world, etc. S form, superlative form. The must be used here. I have already marked yellow mark here, yellow marking place. It is used here. The must be used before superlative degree. You must remember it. The must be used before superlative degree. The best, the tallest, the finest. Okay. Verb, am, is, or was, or any kinds of verb may be used here according to the sense and sentence pattern of the sentence. He is the best boy in the class. Mumbai is the biggest city in India. Bangladesh is the greenest country in the world. Exception: she is the best of all. She is the best of all. Before superlative degree, there will be the definite article. You must remember it. So, dear students and my followers, you all are invited to watch my next video, which I am going to publish for you very soon, relating to the changing method of degree, positive degree into comparative degree into superlative degree, comparative degree into positive degree into superlative degree, superlative degree into positive degree into comparative degree. So, you can visit my YouTube channel, K Mondal YouTube channel. This channel will be helpful to you during this pandemic period, COVID-19. It is very serious for the learners. So you are welcome. I wish you every success in life. May God bless you. No more today. Thank you.